The early morning mist couldn't stop the crews from taking to their boats in Bucks County's first Dragon Boat Festival. In energetic races like this one, crews from all over the area participated in the ancient Chinese sport. Mary Ellen Davis of St. Mary's Life Program was celebrating her birthday as the drummer to keep the beat for the team.
It was awesome. The best. The best. I had the best fun. I was with friends and family. We had a great time. It was really fun. My mother's here, my daughter's with me, my husband, and all my coworkers. We had a great time.
This is William Johnson reporting for the Bucks County Courier-Times.